Hey, what is happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and we will change it up a bit. Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
And today we are looking at the Studio Sync music shelf, Bluetooth enabled. So it's basically a music shelf. It's Bluetooth enabled. You install it on your wall. It makes it a floating shelf. It's pretty good actually. As you can see here, we have the shelf on this side. We have the box here, and these are the accessories that it comes with. So there's the cable, some screws, and this part that goes to the wall. As you could see here, this is where you charge it. This is where you pair it. You basically just hold this one button right here, and it would make a sound, and then you would see it on your phone. So let's get to it. Just take out our handy phone here, and you would go to settings and pair it after you hold that button. And now let's try it out. As you can see there, it's pretty good. Good volume. It's pretty basic for sound, but it's good enough for a shelf. At least it comes with it. Very nice. And the only thing I don't like about this is you're charging it from the side of the shelf. So mainly what you would do is you would plug this to your cable, your micro USB cable, and then most people, what they would do is they would have an external battery and then put it in the back of the shelf, and that should power up your shelf for weeks. And then you would charge the external battery, and that's how the cycle works. So let's say you want to install this. You would take this and you would take it right on the wall, drill through 2 of the holes, and then you would use one of these guys and punch holes with these, your screwdriver, and then screw them on with these guys. The long ones for the wall, the short ones is for the shelf itself, so that you would lock it in place. Let me just show you here, right there, those holes. Those are the ones that would go through those holes right there. It also comes with a bunch of instructions. So if you don't know, if you want more details on how to install it, it's all here. They show you it. Pairing instructions and all that stuff. They guide you through it. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.
1, 2, 3.